Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The mentioned date for the principals of Alliance Finance Services, Peter and Robert Chin, was pushed from today to Friday of this week. About 4 hours after the start of activities in the St. Andrew Parish Court, where the matter was set to be heard today, the court was informed that the Director of Public Prosecution's Office has asked for the case to be mentioned at a later date. President of Alliance Finance Services, Peter Chin, and his brother, Vice President of Alliance, Robert Chin, have been charged for offenses under the Bank of Jamaica Act, the Banking Services Act, and the Proceeds of Crime Act. The men last appeared in court on December 17. Now, the Chins are being represented by a team of attorneys led by Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares-Finson. Jamaica's net international reserves, NIR, increased at the end of December. The NIR amounted to $4.8 billion. That was $82 million higher than in November. The reserves were valued at 54 weeks of goods imports. Authorized dealers are selling the US dollar for an average $155.57. $119.24 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $208.56 for the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $176.71. The JSE index gained 1,785 points today, while the junior market index gained 5 points. Among today's winners were Cygnus Real Estate Finance Jamaican dollar shares, G-West Corporation, Epley, Honeybun and Caribbean Assurance Brokers, while on the losing side were KLE Group, Consolidated Bakeries, Palace Amusement, JMB Group 7.25% shares, and MPC Clean Caribbean Energy. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.